Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring Widgetsmith is installed and has permission to access your photos. This lets you use custom images. Once done, open the app and choose a size, small, medium, or large, because size determines available layouts. Tap the new widgets preview to enter edit mode, then pick a style like photo, calendar, or custom text. This matters because each style exposes different customization controls. Make sure to name the widget so you can find it in the iPad home screen picker later. Now focus on the how and why of customization. Choose font, tint color, background, and any overlays to match your iPad aesthetic. This improves readability and cohesion. Then add the content, link a photo album, calendar, weather source, or reminders, because content defines utility. Use the timeline feature to schedule different displays at set times or days. That way, one widget can show work items during daytime and a family photo at night. Finally, save changes so they're ready for the home screen. Finish by placing the widget on your iPad home screen. Long press an empty area until icons jiggle, tap the plus button, find Widgetsmith, and choose the exact size you created. Once placed, tap the widget while in jiggle mode and select the specific widget instance you named earlier. This links the saved design to the home screen. If the widget doesn't show updates, try closing Widgetsmith, restart your iPad, then reassign the widget. This clears cache and forces the app to refresh data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.